counterfeit ass nigga. Rock 'em hard. Rock 'em hard the label, homeboy.
I like this one right here.
No,
They can't forget they like our sound. We
Hitz.
always in there. They always talking our sound. Dig, if that's what they want, then let it to them. Rock your head back. Count up your stack. Make it blow out a pound. Turn up the sound. Turn up the sound. Turn up the sound. Turn up the sound. Turn up my sound. Rock your head back. Count up your stack. Make it blow out a pound.
Inches, wow. Candy apple paint with rolling with pistol Heat, good. And he blowing stank while I'm counting bank. Can't hustle, I show you how. Them a lot of bills, dawg. This might take a while. Damn, them niggas wild. Damn, them niggas good. What the fuck did you expect, homie? We from the good. Pushing off with your main chick. 150 on the dash of the road with some cold shit. Oh shit! I turned up my sound. Speakers surround us. Probably got a citation, but they never found us. Ghost hit the club like fuck it, blow a couple stacks. Tell the DJ bring it back and pump it to the max.
Rock your head back, count up your stack, make it blow out a pound. Turn up the sound, turn up the sound, turn up the sound, turn up the sound, turn up my sound. Rock your head back, count up your stack, make it blow out a pound. Turn up the sound, turn up the sound, turn up the sound, turn up the sound.
The cash, let's get it. Hit the gas on the coupe, the way it take off.
Gotta call his landlord, cause these niggas can't get nothing done around here. This is my semester. I ain't gonna never be able to mess with these niggas. In my third year.
Life's a bitch, but she like the way I strike her.
Excuse me, sir. Can y'all please cut down this video? I'm trying to. Can y'all so-called gangsters please cut down the.
So do niggas when they see him. 40 in the stash with the cash, let's get it. Hit the gas on the coupe, the way it take off ridiculous. Sounds up ridiculous. Here for block. Got 25 stacks off in one little knot. Sleepy blowing out the roof, buzz the whole block. Head studded rock, whole studded jock. Life's a bitch, but she like the way I strike her. I'm ballin' on these jokers, I'm the man you can vouch for. Call the whip real estate, cause you trade a house for. I'm laughing at these niggas from the side and they don't even know it. Money making endeavor, niggas know I'm all for it. Turn it up.
Rock your head back, keep counting up your stack, make it blow out a pound. Turn up the sound, we gon' always make it move. Turn up the sound, you gotta feel it. Turn up the sound, you gotta feel it. We can't be denied. Rock your head back, count up your stack, what it do? Blow out a pound. Let the clouds be with us at all times. Turn up the sound, we got the beat, we got the sound, we got the style.
White beans, white rims, look like frosted flakes. Franchise playing Memphis, it ain't alley eye. But I'm ballin' on them niggas, throw my alley high. Stay fresh on the court, rockin' my Coogee shit. The way I blew chips, somebody should recruit the kid. But it ain't basketball, but I'm ballin' like this basket. And it ain't that at all, but if it's crack, I call it magic. And if I say it's green, homie, it's the lightest good. About my money, I put a hole in one, like Tiger Woods. Do the impossible, cause homie, it ain't nothing to me. I make the hard look easy, like 1, 2, 3. Or ABCs, it's all fundamentals. Easy. Me and Hitz pulling up in that Continental. Whoa, we do shit to make them hoes remember us. Riding in that Bentley, rolling windows up, windows up.
The streets is calling, the clique is ballin'. That's all I need, cause everything fall in like 1, 2, 3. Hoes and whips like 1, 2, 3. Damn, this shit is easy. The niggas hate it, the bitches love it. I'm in the Rover on the way to go and greet the public. 1, 2, 3. Rates going up like 1, 2, 3. You don't want it, believe me.